Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix trading disabled in MT5 on your PC. So in order to fix it, you will have to first of all open your web browser and search for MetaTrader5.com. Once you are on this page, simply click on the option of web terminal option. Even if you are using the application of MT5 in your Windows PC, I would recommend you to come on the web terminal option for smooth login. Over here, click on the login option, provide your login credentials, and you need to simply connect to your account. Now, once you are in your account, you need to make sure that your account is active and verified with the broker. Also, you need to check your market whether it is open or not, because trading is disabled during the weekends and the week offs. If you are still blocked over here, you need to simply just right click on the chart that you are viewing, and there you will see the one click trading option. So you need to enable that, and your symbols are correct. You need to make sure of that. Some of the brokers restrict certain pairs or the assets, so you need to keep that in mind as well. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.